what you just drew
Is
for
that your
Grammy.
monster truck?
A monster truck.
Where's the monster truck you drew?
Where are the wheels and everything? Explain it to us.
Wheels.
What's the rest of it?
What's that thing on the front? Yeah, what's that?
It is a thing that keeps the monsters safe.
Oh, I see.
Hmm.
Well, that's a nice picture. Thanks for drawing that for Grammy.
We like monster trucks. Can Aunt Lynn have one too?
Oh yeah, yours is gonna be black.
I love black monster trucks. Those are my favorite.
Use a different color. Grammy can't even see that one hardly.
Okay.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Oh, here comes Papa. Ooh! We're drawing monster trucks, Papa Berry. Come look at this. Aunt Lynn gets a big black one. I like it. Its wheels aren't big enough though. Ooh, a purple one. Ooh.
I gotta keep my mouth shut.
Why, you don't like the monster trucks, Barry?
I'm just gonna.
What kind do you like? Pink?
I just keep my mouth shut. I'm very better not talk right now.
I'm making it.
Right, Grammy, Lori?
That's right.
Yeah.
Papa Berry bid to shush.
Like she says, you never think before you speak.
That's right.
Hot tuts.
I'm making it fire.
Okay. Yeah. When I first told Mom to come over here, she didn't understand the importance of it.
Yeah, I see.